Hi, my name is Mike Benson and I work with Wild Hare Manufacturing. Today I think we have a pretty good solution for you on how to get your deer blinds out in the field and erected. We had to bring it across wetlands. So the ruts from the ATV, from the trails that I had made out previously with the ATV were filled with water. So each time I went out, I'd have to pick a new path. But I knew that I couldn't take it out with a pickup truck. I knew I couldn't take it out with a tractor or with a bobcat because I'd get stuck. So what we ended up doing is strapping it to the forks on the front of the ATV. It took us multiple trips to get it out there because we had to bring the base out, the ladder out, and then obviously the tools and stuff to put it together while we were out there. But once we got it out there, we were able to put the deer stand legs on with these brackets. This is what we used. And then once they were bolted on and we had it sitting horizontally on the ground, I was able to drive in between the legs with the forks, lift it up, get underneath it, lift it up as high as we could. And then my wife and I were able to just push the legs. I mean, once we had it at about a 45-degree angle, we were able to push out the legs and get it tipped up the rest of the way. And then from there, we were just able to put the braces on and then also the ladder on it. So it actually worked out very well. So the forks on the ATV implement system are able to lift up to 500 pounds. So depending on what your blind weighs, you should be able to haul it out there. Again, depending on whether or not it's in pieces or whether or not you have the base attached to it or the legs attached to it. You may have to make multiple trips and do the assembly, a little bit of the assembly out in the field. But for me, it worked out fantastically. I didn't know how else other than hauling it out manually or pulling some type of wagon out there or something. And then with the ability of the forks to lift up to 5 feet up in the air, we were able to get my stand up in a very good location very easily, and we were able to tip it up the rest of the way with just the two of us. So if you have any questions, please give us a shout. Our telephone number is 218-483-1000. We'd be happy to help you. If you're interested in looking at an ATV system, or if you think that this might be a good fit for you. It also is great for food plots and that type of thing, which we'll be making additional videos in the upcoming days, weeks, and months. So thank you. Have a great day.